Hello everyone, and welcome back to Unmute English. Imagine this. You've started your new job. You've met your manager. Now it's time to meet your colleagues. What should you say? How do you start a conversation? In today's lesson, we'll practice natural office conversations that you can use in real life. Listen carefully. Repeat after me. And let's begin. Imagine you're sitting at your desk. A colleague walks over and says, "Hi, I'm Emma. Welcome to the team." A natural reply is, "Hi Emma, I'm Alex. It's nice to meet you." Repeat after me. Hi Emma. I'm Alex. It's nice to meet you. Excellent. Your colleague then asks, "Where are you from?" A natural answer is, "I'm from Sri Lanka. What about you?" Notice how you answer, and then ask a question back. That keeps the conversation going. After a while, your colleague asks, "How are you finding your first day?" A natural reply is, "It's been really good so far. Everyone has been very welcoming. I'm learning a lot already." Repeat after me. It's been really good so far. Everyone has been very welcoming. I'm learning a lot already. Great. Now your colleague says, "If you need any help, just let me know." A polite reply is, "Thank you. I really appreciate it." Repeat after me. Thank you. I really appreciate it. Excellent. At lunchtime, your colleague asks, "Would you like to join us for lunch?" A natural reply is, "Yes, I'd love to. Thank you for inviting me." Repeat after me. I'd love to. Thank you for inviting me. Fantastic. During lunch, someone asks, "What do you usually do in your free time?" You could answer, "I enjoy reading books. I like learning English. I enjoy traveling. I also like watching football." Try giving 2 or 3 hobbies, not just one. That makes the conversation more interesting. Your colleague asks, "How long have you been learning English?" A natural answer is, "I've been learning English for about 3 years." Then they ask, "Why are you learning English?" You could answer, "I want to communicate confidently. I'd like to work internationally. I enjoy meeting people from different countries." Repeat after me. I want to communicate confidently. I'd like to work internationally. Excellent. Today's useful words: colleague, someone you work with; welcoming, friendly and kind; appreciate, to be thankful; invite, to ask someone to join you; confidently, in a calm and positive way. Repeat after me. Colleague. Welcoming. Appreciate, invite. Confidently. Great job. Now it's your turn. Answer these questions aloud. Where are you from? What do you enjoy doing in your free time? Why are you learning English? Remember, don't translate. Think in English and speak naturally. Fantastic work. Today, you've learned how to introduce yourself, start small talk, and build friendly conversations with your colleagues. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like this video and subscribe to Unmute English.